Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of manually entering the same bills over and over again in QuickBooks, today's video is going to save you a ton of time. I'll be showing you how to easily schedule recurring bills in QuickBooks online so they generate automatically. No more missed payments, no more repetitive data entry. Let's get right into it. The great thing about QuickBooks is that it allows you to turn any bill into a recurring bill template. That way, QuickBooks takes care of creating future bills for you on the schedule you set. First, open a bill you've already entered or create a new one. Fill in all the necessary details, things like the vendor's name, the account or item details, the description, and the bill amount. Think of this as your base bill that QuickBooks will duplicate for you. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the bill. You'll see an option called Make Recurring. Go ahead and select that. This opens up a new window where we can set up the template for our recurring bill. At the top, you'll want to give the template a name. This can be something simple like monthly internet bill or office rent, so you can recognize it later. Now under Type, you'll have three options. Scheduled. QuickBooks automatically creates the bill on your chosen schedule. Reminder. QuickBooks reminds you to create it, but won't do it for you. Unscheduled. This keeps the template saved so you can use it whenever needed. For most recurring bills, you'll want to pick Scheduled, since it ensures the bill is generated automatically. Next, set up your schedule. Here you can choose how often you want the bill to recur, weekly, monthly, or custom intervals. Select the start date, and if you want, you can even tell QuickBooks how many days in advance to create the bill. This is handy if you like to review bills before the actual due date. Once everything looks good, simply click Save Template. That's it. QuickBooks will now handle that bill for you automatically on the schedule you set. Now, what if you want to make changes later? Easy. Just click the gear icon in the top right, then select Recurring Transactions. From here, you'll see all your recurring templates. You can edit them, change the frequency, or delete them if you don't need them anymore. And if you ever want to manage an individual bill created from the series, just head to Expenses Greater Than Bills. QuickBooks treats each one as a regular bill, so you can review or pay it like normal. And that's how you schedule recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. Setting these up takes just a few minutes, but it can save you hours in the long run and help you stay on top of your business expenses. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.